Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we have one of those videos where you're probably like, okay, why are you making a video for this? It's a little more unique, it's a little more niche in like the sense of these 50 crochet idea videos, but a lot of you guys have really been like on me about doilies for some reason. I'm not sure. I feel like there's kind of been like a shift in the crochet community away from like big bulky projects and more towards like the intricate lacy details of patterns. So a lot of you guys wanted doilies, and here I am. Who am I to stand in the way of the doilies? With that being said, today's video is 50 doily crochet ideas. So we've got a lot of different kinds of doilies. We have like flower inspired, seasonal doilies, doilies based on like Valentine's Day, Christmas, things like that. We do not have multiple categories in this video just because they're all the category of like doily. They're all decor doily. So we are just going to be doing one big doily category. As always, everything I say is listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you, okay? Let's go ahead and jump right into the doily, shall we? I have like a range of beginner friendly to a little more intermediate to like advanced level patterns in this video, so there should be something for everyone. So let me move over. All right, so the first one that I have for you is this sun doily from Hobby. It's gorge. It's in a golden sun color, okay? I am battling a migraine, so if I seem a little off, that's why. We're working through a migraine, and it's fine. So we've got this star weave one. I actually really like this one. I love this sun mote one and this lila one. Oh, I love it, love it. I'm actually like, I've never been a doily girl, but researching for this video, I've kind of like shifted a little. I'm like, you know what? Maybe I'll make a doily or two. I don't know. Maybe. All right. So we've got those. We've got this sweet pea doily, which is more of like a sweeter, feminine touch to doily. You can also make this hemp doily coaster set, this Andromeda doily, or even this Agnes doily. At first, the edges of the Agnes doily is kind of giving like sugar and cream scrubby yarn, but I think it's really cute. So I kind of love it. You can make a Crowns of Majesty doily, a Dawn Glow doily, this Dusty Rose one. Oh, love it. I feel like I just watched something with the word Dusty Rose. I think it was Vampire Diaries. I just heard that somewhere. Starlight Refraction. Love that one. I think like my favorites are the ones that kind of give like flower vibes, like this one, or like I guess stars. The last two I liked were stars. So yeah, so you can make the Starlight one. You can make the Cleopatra Island, or even the Blue Oktoberfest doily. You can make a Wisteria doily. That one's kind of cute. Or if you're really into like the white lace vibe, maybe you have a wedding coming up, maybe you're just really interested in white lace, you can make a grand lace tablecloth like this one. You can also make this Sweetheart one, and this Dawn Glow doily, and the Frost Nova doily. Love the Frost Nova doily. And this one's kind of cool. I like it because it kind of like forms shapes. Okay, I mean they all do, but this one specifically is really cool. A tulip doily. So at first glance you don't see it, but if you think of tulips and look at it again, you see tulips, and I kind of love that. It's like, I don't know, I love it. I love the details in these. I have no idea how long doilies take. I've never made one, so like don't ask me, but I'm assuming a long time because they look very detailed. You can make a Winterfest doily for if you're watching this and it's like December, winter season. You can make this Margaret doily, or this floral rose doily coaster. Okay, you don't even have to make big things to make a doily like a tablecloth. You can start small with coasters. You can do this Dreaming of Spring doily. The color is giving winter, but it is called spring, so like do with that what you will. You can also make this silver frost doily placemat, which I'm assuming based on the name it's kind of meant for like a winter vibe, but switch out the colors and like literally make it whenever. You can make this skull doily, which I mentioned a skull doily in my goth video, and people were like, oh my god, I need more like goth style doilies for my collection. So that one's for you. You can make a September mandala, or even this Helleborus, I'm probably saying that wrong, but this beautiful red doily, okay? You can also make a square lace doily, okay? They don't always have to be circles. Give it some lace vibes in a square, okay? You can make this Deidre one. I love it. I love the colors that they chose for this one. You can also make an apple doily, especially for like a teacher or something like that. You can make this wisteria triangle, so kind of similar to the wisteria doily I showed you earlier. That was more of like a circle. You could make a triangle, and you can even make these like coasters, or you can turn them into like a garland to hang around your room, you know, like the triangle banner garlands. You can make this spring song doily, love it. You can make a pansy doily, or this starlight refraction doily, or even this rose doily. This rose doily specifically is giving Coquette, it's giving Lana Del Rey, it's giving Lolita. That's like the vibe this one's giving. I love it. You can make a shamrock doily if you're getting around March, okay? My birthday's in March. That's all I have to say about March. You can make this Mabel doily, or even this sweetheart doily. That's very perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. Okay, so you can get started now. You'll have it done by Valentine's Day. If you want to like present something, maybe like a ring or a gift or a ring or like flowers or something, present it on this sweetheart doily. You can also make this pineapple doily. Now the pineapple stitch is very big in the lace doily community. So if you can handle a pineapple stitch, you can make a lot of doilies. So there's the pineapple one. You can make this blush flower doily. Again, another good one for Valentine's Day coming up. You can make this Halloween ghost doily if you're watching this and it's October, or it's about to be October. You can make spring, when spring comes doily. This one's cute. I like that there's layers. It's dimensional. There's layers to it. Okay, 3D. You can make this easy lace doily if you're a beginner and you want to kind of get your foot wet a little bit and you don't really want to take on like a really big one. You can do this little easy one. You can do dreaming of spring doily. It's giving winter. I think I've already said that. I think I've already seen this one. That might be a repeat. You can also make an as the time goes by heart doily coaster, and you can make this crown of hearts doily. Now, as you can tell, I'm sprinkling a lot of heart pink flowery doilies in this because Valentine's Day is coming up. And yes, I have seen your comments. A Valentine's Day video is in the works, okay? It is coming, but I'm giving you a little bit while you wait for that one. You can also make this lotus flower doily and this moon petal doily, okay? Love a moon petal doily. Love this one. It's gorgeous. And then for my girlies out there who are like, what about the goth girls? What about the girls who don't like white, who don't want white? Okay, there you go. 13 gothic crochet doily patterns for my gothic girlies, okay? And that is all I have for you for our 50 crochet doily patterns. As always, everything I said is listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. If you're looking for the picture I used, it's all on a cohesive Pinterest board. The Pinterest board is also linked down in the description. That's where you can find everything, including a link to this month's giveaway on my Instagram. If you are in the search of, or kind of just really wanting to extend your crochet hook supply, I'm giving away 20 crochet hooks as a set with a cute little case over on my Instagram as our January giveaway item. I'm planning on doing a giveaway item every month this year, so if you want to get in on it, go enter for this month's giveaway. It closes, I pick the people on January 26th. So if you're watching this before January 26th, go click the link and enter in to win 20 crochet hooks. Other than that, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!